Today, I am going to be taking some frequently asked questions about locks, and these are questions I wish I had answers to before I started my lock journey. So today, I want to share with you in case you're looking to start your lock journey or you have already started your lock journey and you're trying to navigate it. So I am here for you. And if you're new to my channel, this is Lock Life with Lola Classic, and on this channel, I am currently documenting my lock journey. I am actually 7 months locked and I'm still trying to figure it out every step of the way. So let's get right into the video. And before we get into the video, if you've not subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and share this video to somebody else who might also need it. Thanks. So on the frequently asked questions about locks today, we have about 4 categories, and I'll be taking 2 questions in each category. So the first category is getting started. Under this category, we have 2 questions, and the first question is, how do I start my locks? You can start your locks in different methods: the 2-strand twist, the comb coils, or the interlocking method, just like mine. You get it? And also, you can actually go freeform. Because freeforms, you don't need to go to the loctician to lock your hair. You just leave it in its natural state and it forms its own style into locks. So those are like about 4 ways you can actually start your locks. Moving on to the second question in this category. How long does it take for my locks to mature? So your locks getting matured depends on your hair texture and how you take care of them. For some people, it might be weeks, and why for some people, it's between 6 weeks to 2 years for your locks to get mature. The next category, maintenance and care. So the first question in this category is, how often should I wash my locks? Contrary to the myth, washing your locks is essential and you should wash your locks regularly. So for some people, they wash their locks between 2 weeks, and for me, I wash my locks every 2 weeks. And if you're someone that sweats or you use a lot of product, you should wash your locks as often as possible to avoid buildup and unnecessary lint and dirt getting stuck on your locks. The second question in this category is, how do I keep my locks from getting dry? So moisture is very important. I talk about that a lot. Hydrate and moisturize your hair. If you do that regularly, I have a video on how to maintain your locks. So if you do that regularly, it is going to avoid your locks from getting dry. You understand? And you don't want to put too much product too on your locks because you want to avoid product buildup. But kindly watch the video on how to maintain your locks. I'll put the link in the description box so you can learn about that. Moisture is important. Hydration is important for your locks to not get dried. Moving on to the third category, which is styling and changes. So the first question that was asked in this category is, can I still style my locks while they are locking? Of course you can. I have a video on how to style starter locks, and I do that a lot. I style my starter locks. My locks is just 7 months old. I style it, but you want to do protective hairstyles so that you don't damage your locks because they are still locking. Do you understand? So of course you can do buns, you can pack your hair into buns, you can do a lot of nice style. Kindly check that video. The link is in the description box. The second question in this category that was asked is, can I dye my locks without damaging them? Of course you can, but you want to make sure you moisturize your locks after dyeing them because the chemicals from hair dye can actually make your locks dry out. So you want to moisturize regularly and make sure they are hydrated and fluffy. Do you understand? Moving on to the fourth category, which is myth and common concerns. So the first question there is, should I wash my locks regularly? Yes, of course, you should wash your locks regularly, and you should wash them well to avoid dirt being trapped in them because you use products. So you have to wash your locks. And when you don't wash them, if you sweat, maybe you work out regularly, they will start to smell. So like I said before, clean locks don't smell. Like I said again, clean locks don't smell. So the last question in this category is, can I take my locks out if I change my mind? Of course you can, but you need to go through the right procedures, right? It takes time actually to take them out. So that's why some people rather just cut it off and restart their hair again. But as for me, I don't advise people taking out their locks. You can't go through all that journey and you decide to cut off your locks. But if that's what you want to do, and that's the era you are at in your own life journey, there's no problem. So when I was starting my locks, I wish I had answers to some of these questions, but I didn't. But as I got into the journey, I started getting my answers, and that's why I decided to share it with you. So if you have locks or you're trying to start your lock journey, just know it takes a lot of time and patience for you to go through this journey. So with time, you're going to have a beautiful, fluffy, and nice locks. If I did not answer your questions in this video, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can know anytime I post a video, and also share this video to somebody else who might need it. This is still Lola Loc Life, and of course, I will be back with another new update. Bye for now.